I am the best. Because I am perfect.
And pinch.
Like a little heart. Okay.
Today in Bologna, a different kind of passion fuels those who handcraft this beloved stuffed pasta.
I'm Monica.
I'm Dani.
And we are Sfoglina in Bologna.
Sfoglinie is a title these sisters wear with joy and pride.
Oh.
It marks them as master pasta makers, culinary artisans, carrying on Bologna's tradition of fresh pasta made with eggs.
We are having our 25th year inside the shop, 20 together. Luckily, nothing terrible happened yet.
So how did pasta become the culinary trademark of Italy? It's thought the food arrived with the Arab invasion of Sicily in the 9th century. But by the 1600s, it had spread far and wide, thanks in part to simple machines that could make it. Italians of all social classes recognized what everybody loves about pasta. Even now, it's delicious, affordable, and easy to store. Today, the sisters are making tortellini and its larger cousin, tortelloni.
Please, can you start with flour, 00. It's a special flour, yes.
So this is very fun.
This very fine flour is milled from an especially soft wheat grown in this region. Mixing it with eggs in the signature style of Bologna makes it silky and flavorful.
Normally is 100 gram of flour and 1 eggs, medium eggs.
Egg.
Okay. Now we start with 3 eggs.
No.
4. And the yolk is very yellow because chicken eat only corn.
Rolling begins with a small pin. It's a job Monica first learned from her grandmother at age 6.
Arms very strong.
Push over the dough and start like this. So as you can see, thanks to my belly, I succeed in making this very thin because the dough should be the envelope of what you see inside and you will taste after.
But when you live and work with your sister, there's always a second set of eyes.
Not bad.
Every day I write a book.
Each family in Bologna has its own recipe for the magic in this simple delight.
And these are the filling of tortellone.
This is the filling of tortelloni.
Okay, sorry.
Made with ricotta cheese, parsley, Parmigiano Reggiano 36 months old, salt and nutmeg.
With a special cutting wheel, the gold dough starts to become tortelloni, a larger version of tortellini.
I am the best. Because I am perfect.
No comment.
The silky texture comes from the ricotta made with only cow's milk, not that of a goat or sheep.
This is very special because it's like a cream. This is very important to us having the water because we need the elasticity of the dough. Sometimes the dough could be just a little dry, so we need water like this to keep it moist.
Thin but strong, the pasta stretches over the filling into a triangle.
And pinch.
Like a little heart. Okay, our tortelloni. In Bologna, everything is heart.
And the heart of Christmas is tortellini. Served in broth, these small savory bites are a central part of holiday dinner.
You have people coming here in July for booking tortellini for Christmas.
Because it is not Christmas in Bologna without tortellini.
In Italy.
But especially in Bologna.
The meat filling is a mix of pork loin cooked in butter, mortadella, and prosciutto crudo, a type of dry cured ham. The meats are ground and mixed with other savory flavors.
Mixed with the Parmigiano and salt, nutmeg and eggs, but I mixed before. And now we are going to finish this wonderful thing. Il mattarellone l'avete lasciato...
The feeling is like essence of Bologna. Because pork is fantastic, Parmigiano Reggiano fantastic, and eggs special in the world. Special in the world.
Oh la la!
And inside we put the filling.
This is precision work. When placed on a scale, each tiny bite should weigh 5 grams.
My tortellini are the best, more better than tortellini of my sister. Because I am più brava.
The modesty is something.
But why be modest when you have something so good?
Customers come from all over Italy, and most of them, after Christmas, call us and send an email just to thank us to have spent a fantastic Christmas with our tortellini. Clap your hands, everybody, and everybody, clap your hands.
Maybe the joy in this kitchen finds its way into the food.
The importance of this job for Bologna, to me, is huge, because Bologna must be remembered for a good food and to show the sweetness of a work like this. To me, the best food in the world is from Bologna.